The power of the blood of Jesus. 100 prayers to break witchcraft and demonic oppression. The power of the blood of Jesus. The blood of Jesus Christ is not just a religious concept. It is a divine force that grants believers justification, freedom, deliverance, healing, and eternal communion with God. From the beginning of time, blood has been a symbol of atonement and covenant. In the Old Testament, sacrifices were made to cleanse sins, but in the New Testament, Jesus became the ultimate sacrifice, shedding his blood once and for all. When we plead the blood of Jesus over our lives, we are invoking the authority, protection, and power that comes from his ultimate sacrifice. The enemy has no power over those covered by the blood of Christ. This is a spiritual weapon that cancels every attack, nullifies demonic oppression, and ensures our victory. Today, we embark on a journey of 100 powerful prayers that will break witchcraft, destroy demonic oppression, and bring divine restoration to every area of your life. Chapter 1. The blood of Jesus. The ultimate defense. 1. The blood of Jesus speaks better things than the blood of Abel. 1. It speaks of justification, redemption, and divine victory. 2. Exodus 12. When the Israelites applied the blood of the Lamb, the angel of death passed over them. 2. Today the blood of Jesus is our divine covering. 3. Revelation 12:11. They overcame him by the blood of the Lamb and by the word of their testimony. Prayer 1. Lord, I plead the blood of Jesus over my life. Let it be a shield against every attack of the enemy. Chapter 2. Breaking generational curses and ancestral bondages. Many people suffer from generational curses passed down from their ancestors. These curses manifest in sickness, poverty, and repeated failures. A man named James found himself struggling with the same patterns of failure his father and grandfather experienced. After pleading the blood of Jesus and breaking every generational curse, he experienced divine breakthroughs in his career and family. Prayer 10. By the blood of Jesus, I break every ancestral covenant made knowingly or unknowingly. I declare freedom over my lineage. Chapter 3. Destroying witchcraft and demonic oppression. Witchcraft is real, but it has no power over the blood-washed believer. Jezebel, Delilah, and Ahab are spirits that seek to destroy families, destinies, and ministries. A woman named Sarah was tormented by night attacks. Every night she felt a presence trying to choke her. When she began to plead the blood of Jesus and renounce any demonic access, the attacks stopped completely. Prayer 25. I command every spirit of witchcraft attacking my life to be nullified by the blood of Jesus. Chapter 4. Healing through the blood of Jesus. The blood of Jesus does not only redeem, it heals. Michael had been diagnosed with a terminal disease, but as he prayed and declared the power of Jesus' blood over his body, he experienced a miraculous healing. Prayer 40. Lord, I plead the blood of Jesus over my body. Every sickness, disease, and affliction must bow before the power of Jesus' blood. Chapter 5. Financial breakthrough and breaking the chains of poverty. Many believers struggle with financial lack due to unseen spiritual forces. Jennifer had been in debt for years. After applying the principles of tithing, declaring the blood of Jesus over her finances, and breaking every curse of poverty, she began to see supernatural provision. Prayer 55. Lord, I plead the blood of Jesus over my finances. Every curse of lack and poverty is broken in Jesus' name. Chapter 6. Protection from evil and harm. 1. No weapon formed against us shall prosper. 2. Angels are released when we declare the blood of Jesus over our homes. David was almost in a fatal accident, but just before impact, he shouted, "The blood of Jesus!" and miraculously escaped unhurt. 3. Prayer 70. Lord, I plead the blood of Jesus over my home, my family, and my travels. 3. Let your divine protection surround me always. Chapter 7. Spiritual revival and renewal. 4. Spiritual stagnation and lukewarmness are some of the enemy's greatest weapons against believers. 5. Prayer 85. Father, ignite a fresh fire within me. 5. Let the blood of Jesus cleanse my heart and renew my zeal for you. Chapter 8. Declaring victory and walking in divine authority. 6. By the blood of Jesus, we claim victory over every area of life. A pastor under severe persecution for preaching the gospel found supernatural favor when he constantly declared the blood of Jesus over his life and ministry. 7. Prayer 100. I declare total victory over my life, my destiny, and my family by the power of the blood of Jesus. 7. Stand firm in your victory. 8. The blood of Jesus has secured your victory. 9. No force of darkness can withstand the power of his blood. 10. Declare these prayers daily and watch your life transform. If these prayers have blessed you, share this message with others. 10. Leave a comment with your testimony, and don't forget to subscribe to join a community of believers walking in victory through Christ.